Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be converting this garage space into a training kickboxing space. So as you can see at the minute, I've got a lot of stuff everywhere that just needs clearing up. So in the back there, where I've got my power rack. Now what I've found with that is I've been going to the gym a lot, so now we've got a gym membership, I think it'll be better to get rid of that and create more space for the punch bags. I've got a freestanding one there, and I've got a hanging bag right there. So guys, hope you enjoy this. I'm going to try and get this sorted and turn it into a usable training space. So guys, I'm finishing for today. So as you can see, I've cleared a bit of space up around here. What I've done, I've taken the squat rack up. This here is flooring, I'll explain that in a minute. Got the punch bag back up there. Got the bag behind me filled up, base filled up. So basically what happened is, I was filling the base up and I thought, well, that's filling up, I'll crack on with something outside. So I did that, and I thought it's going to take at least half an hour to fill up. And basically when I had a look after about 20 minutes, it's going all over the garage floor. So yeah, I basically flooded the garage. So I'm going to leave it here for now. I've pulled some racks out that were behind all this clutter behind me. Packed some pads and some kettlebells, stuff like that on there. Packed the power rack behind me. The crash mat's going to go back here once it's dried because everything's wet through that were on the floor. Weight bench is now over there, so I just move it across when I want to do some kickboxing in here. Bash the bags down here, then put it back. That weight tree is going to go at the top there once all that's dried out. So my bad, not a finished project, but it's all I'm doing.